Hi, this is Iris Patin for Butterfly Circles. I wish you a beautiful new year with new opportunities, with new beginnings. I wish for you the best community ever where you can give your talents and where you can receive support from the members of the community. I think we are ready to really unite forces so that we can realize our future. And if you want to manifest a future, it's really, really important that it's based on the fundamentals of love and not of fear. We are living and we can realistically look upon the world, what's happening in Israel, what's happening in the Ukraine, what's happening in Africa, what's happening, still happening in Iraq, and all the countries, many countries are battling. They are in war. And that means that humanity is in war. We ourselves are in war. What is our war about? And what do we become after war? And it's so important to see for yourself, what human being do you want to be? And this is our choices. We can put our heads in the sand and just deny the reality where we are in. Or we can justify for ourselves and we can do something about. We can do something about it by looking deep in ourselves and look for yourself where you are battling about. What is your battle about? Where are you fighting? You have to look inside and see for yourself. And how can we stop that? For centuries and centuries, there were wars upon this earth. And how can we be in peace if there is war? So one of the things is that we have to create inner peace and that we have to synthesis. We have to look. What is the old? What is the new? And where am I at? Am I in the old timeline where my thoughts are impregnated by fear? Or am I in the new timeline full of love, creating a new world? This is a choice we have, and we have to see where we are at. And if you really want to see a world of peace, then we have to make peace with ourselves first. We have to accept who we are. And we really have to go through emotional periods where we see our shadow and where we can really put light on that shadow so that we can be at peace and accept who we are and who we have behaved, how we behaved in the past, and how we can change now our habits and our behavior so that we are more joyful, peaceful, and more in oneness with each other, more connected with each other. If we have the inner connection, we can have beautiful connections outside of us that are based on love and the higher frequencies. We are responsible to be for ourselves in harmony in higher frequencies. Every day we can have little tools that we use. It can be the tool of breath, just breathing very intensively and hold your breath with a feeling of thankfulness, a feeling of gratitude, a feeling of compassion, a feeling of peace and harmony. Whatever you choose that is a positive feeling, you breathe it and you hold it in your breath and then you breathe in, breathe out. That's a little tool to keep that frequency. So there are many tools you can use. You can dance, you can sing, you can work with meditation, you can do yoga, but once a day, just to pull you back in the higher resonance of your being, because this is what helps the whole world. It's by being in peace for ourselves without ignoring what's happening around us. And share your wisdom, share it with other people. Maybe you can form a community. There are many, many people with practices that are based on love, on the high resonance. And when you are in these groups, you feel good, you feel home. And this is what the world needs. We need more community. And therefore, I am creating a lot of travelings this year and a lot of community group gatherings where everybody is welcome, so we can straighten our faith in love and can really submerge ourselves with unity vibrations and higher vibrations by singing, by dancing, by doing ceremony. So be welcome. And just for yourself to know that 2024, that will be a very, very, how do you say that, spicy year where many things will happen. And the old is breaking down, but the new is already there. And it is that new little baby who needs your attention. That's why we have to focus on that new baby. And that new baby is you as well. So please put your light on that baby earth who needs the light, and we are the light together. Thank you for listening. Oha.